video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to add or host multiple domains on your Hostinger platform. So if you already have an account with Hostinger and you want to host another domain, or you want to create another website and have it hosted on Hostinger, so I'm going to be taking you through the process step by step. All right. So before we get into the video, if you are new here, please consider clicking on that subscribe button and the bell icon so that you can get notified when I release any other videos. All right, so let's get started. So once you are logging into your Hostinger account, so just head over to websites. So right there, you will see the list of other websites that you already have hosted on your Hostinger account. So, but right now, what we want to do is to add another website I want to host on Hostinger. So you come here and click on Add Website. So you can then select which of these options. Maybe you're hosting, you want to use a Hostinger website builder, you want to use WordPress. There's also other options here that you can choose from. So once you click on any of them, okay, so let me just go again. So let me just, for example, let me say I want to use WordPress. Click on WordPress to still take me back to this dashboard. So right there is just some random questions. So what's your website type? So you can decide to click on the skip option. So but let's just play around. Let's say I want to do it for a business. So it's asking you to create your login details for WordPress account. So this is more specifically if you're adding a new domain for a WordPress website. All right, so administrator emails, administrator password. So you enter all of this. You can just skip and create an empty website. So the name of the website. So here is asking you if you want to buy a new domain, or you have an existing, you want to use an existing domain. And remember, I want to use an existing domain, exactly. So you click on select. So right here, you enter the name of the domain that you want to use. So let's say, for example, you already have your domain from another registrar, not from Hostinger this time. So let me use a domain, one of these domain. Let me use this domain from Dynadot. So let me just copy it and go ahead and paste it here. So I click on continue. So the next thing to ask is for us to change the name server. Exactly. So what it actually means is that, so that whenever someone click on this domain, it will be able to resolve to the right page. So for you to change the name server, like I said, this is considering the fact that if you have your domain from another registrar, exactly. So you can just, using Dynadot as an example, I can just come here and then go to DNS settings. I click on this. So then this is where I'm going to change the name server. So for Hostinger, so this is it now. So this is what I currently have on for this domain, for this people360sorry.com. This is the name server I currently have, and this is what Hostinger is requesting me to change it to for me to be able to continue. So if I should do that, I'll just have to copy it and head over to here. So let me just click on enter new, paste it, copy, and then the second one is NS2. So I'll just change 1 to 2. All right, so then I'll click on save name server. All right, so let me head over to the, so I've done that already. So let me just click on continue. All right, so you see you're almost there. So you can also go to your control panel, or you can click on visit your website. All right, so you connect your domain. Say we've done this already. We've already connected. We've already connected the domain to our name server. So you can just, let's see what this will look like. All right, so this is just the default page, like you can see here, the default page. So let's just go to manage sites. Basically, with what we've just done now, we've been able to add a new domain or another domain to our Hostinger account. Exactly, we have been able to host another domain. So you can see it here. So look at it now. We already have the dashboard has been created. This is our dashboard right now, and this is the domain we've just added to the Hostinger account. So this is how you go ahead to add a domain, or to host another domain on your Hostinger account. So if you look at this side of the screen here, if you should just click on this icon here, you can see, you see a list of other what we call it, of other domains that you have on that your Hostinger account. Exactly. So So that's it. So from here, if you want to take it further to probably create a WordPress website or to create a landing page, then you can also just head over. This is just an addition. You can just head over here, click on WordPress. That's if you're using WordPress, and then you take it off from there. So if you want to know about that also, there's a separate video about that. You can just check the channel or check the description. You find a link there. So I hope you find value in this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any question or any video request, please leave it in the comment section below, and I'll definitely attend to it. So thank you very much, and I'll see you all in another video.